Ever found yourself driving through a new town and spotting a familiar bank branch on seemingly every corner? Or maybe you're relocating and wondering if your current bank has locations in your new city. Today, we're diving deep into the world of retail banking to answer a very specific question. Just how many branches does Truist Bank actually have? Now, before we get to the exact number, let's take a step back and consider why branch numbers even matter. In our increasingly digital world, with mobile banking apps and online portals, it's easy to assume that physical bank branches are becoming obsolete. But that's not entirely true. While digital banking has certainly transformed the industry, physical branches still play a vital role for many people. Think about it. Where do you go when you need to deposit a large check? Or get a certified check for a down payment on a house? Or discuss complex financial matters face-to-face with a bank representative? For many, the answer is still a physical bank branch. They provide a sense of security, offer personalized service, and cater to those who may not be entirely comfortable with online banking. Furthermore, branch presence is a key indicator of a bank's reach and market share. A larger number of branches often translates to greater accessibility for customers, particularly in certain demographics. This is especially true for small businesses that often rely on local branches for their banking needs. So, understanding the number of branches a bank has gives us valuable insight into its overall strategy, customer base, and market position. This is why the question of how many branches is actually quite relevant. Now, let's focus on Truist. Truist Bank is a relatively new name in the banking world, formed in 2019 through the merger of BB&T and SunTrust banks. Both BB&T and SunTrust had long histories and significant branch networks across the southeastern United States. This merger created a banking giant, and with it, a massive branch network. But simply combining the branch counts of the two pre-merger banks doesn't give us the full picture. Bank mergers often lead to branch consolidations. This means that branches located in close proximity to each other, sometimes even across the street, are often merged into a single, more efficient location. This avoids unnecessary overhead costs and optimizes resource allocation. Therefore, determining the exact number of Truist branches requires looking at the post-merger data. It's not as simple as adding two numbers together. So, after all that build-up, you're probably eager for the answer. As of late 2023, Truist Bank operates approximately 2,100 branches across the United States. This places them among the largest retail banking networks in the country. Now, let's put this number into context. 2,100 branches is a significant footprint. It means that Truist has a strong presence across a wide geographic area, primarily concentrated in the Southeast, but with locations stretching up the East Coast and into other parts of the country. This extensive network allows Truist to serve a diverse customer base, from individual consumers to small businesses and large corporations. It also provides convenient access to banking services for millions of people. But the number of branches isn't the only metric we should consider. The strategic placement of those branches is equally important. Truist, like other large banks, carefully analyzes demographic data, market trends, and customer behavior to optimize its branch network. This means placing branches in high-traffic areas, near shopping centers, and in communities with a high demand for banking services. Furthermore, the role of the physical branch is evolving. While traditional teller services are still important, many branches are now focusing on providing more consultative services. This includes things like financial planning, mortgage lending, and small business advising. This shift reflects the changing needs of customers and the increasing importance of personalized financial guidance. So, while the number of branches is important, the services offered within those branches are becoming increasingly crucial. Now, you might be wondering how this number compares to other major banks. While exact numbers fluctuate due to ongoing branch consolidations and expansions, Truist's branch count puts them in a competitive position alongside other large regional and national banks. This extensive branch network, combined with their digital banking platforms, allows Truist to offer a comprehensive suite of financial services to a broad range of customers. It's a key part of their overall business strategy. So, to recap, we've explored the importance of physical bank branches in today's digital age, discussed the significance of branch numbers as an indicator of a bank's reach and market share, and finally answered our main question. Truist Bank operates approximately 2,100 branches across the United States. This significant branch network is a testament to the bank's commitment to providing accessible and convenient banking services to its customers. It also reflects the continued importance of physical branches in the evolving landscape of the banking industry. With that said,